Collision repair of the 2020 General Motors Corvette C8 is a one-hour online course that focuses on an overview of the vehicle and collision repair considerations. This two-module course starts with design changes, repair information, vehicle construction materials, and service parts and repairs. Next, the course discusses mechanical systems information that is critical for a collision repair professional to understand when repairing the Corvette C8. It touches on the vehicle's driver information systems and ADAS options, as well as electrical system considerations during collision repairs. Vehicles and technology are evolving. Train today for tomorrow's repairs. Register now.